Yo, what's up my brother, what's up my sister? This is your boy Oscar Ntege again with yet another amazing video. This is extremely a very short video, but in this video I'm going to show you how to save direct JPEGs in Photoshop. If you're using the latest version of Photoshop, you realize that it no longer has the ability to save JPEG as it used to do. You come here into File, you say Save As. When you come here, you realize we don't have the JPEGs, we only have PSD and we don't have other formats. So what you do, you come here into Save Copy instead. Right here, you say Save Copy, and then I'll put it on the desktop, and then I'll just come here and say JPEG. That is where you find the rest of the formats in the Save As option. Yeah, that is the simple video I wanted to show you because I was struggling with this thing, and I don't know whether you're also struggling with it, but it is that simple. Okay, I'll save it. That's that for today. I hope to see you in my next video, and adios.